Raising funds with an MVP is both an art and a strategy. You're not just pitching a product, you're pitching a vision backed by real-world validation. Investors don't expect perfection at this stage, but they do expect proof that your idea solves a meaningful problem, that users care, and that your team can execute. The goal of fundraising with an MVP is to turn early traction into a compelling story that attracts belief and capital. Let's start with what investors look for in an MVP. At this stage, they're not buying into scale, they're buying into potential. Your MVP should demonstrate three things: a validated problem, early signs of product-market fit, and a capable team. Even if your product is simple, show that you've tested hypotheses, learned from users, and have clear data-driven insights about what's working. The first step in preparing to raise money is building a strong fundraising narrative. Your story matters as much as your metrics. The best pitches don't just list features, they connect emotionally. Start by framing the problem. Why does it matter? Who experiences it? And how painful is it? Then explain your solution in simple, relatable terms. Investors should immediately understand what makes your product unique and why it's the right solution at the right time. Once the story is clear, you'll need a pitch deck. A great MVP stage deck has around 10 to 12 slides and focuses on clarity over flash. One title slide, company name, tagline, and your contact info. 2. Problem. Describe the pain point vividly, backed by data or a short story. 3. Solution. Show how your MVP solves it in a simple, elegant way. 4. Market. Outline your target market and its potential size. TAM, SOM. 5. Traction. Highlight user signups, engagement, feedback, or revenue. Even small wins matter. 6. Business model. Explain how you make or plan to make money. 7. Go-to-market strategy. Show how you'll reach customers efficiently. 8. Competition. Identify key players and your differentiator. 9. Introduce your founding team and why you're the right people to win. 10. Financials and ask. Share your funding needs, how you'll use the money, and what outcomes it will enable. Investors know MVPs are rough around the edges. What they care about is momentum, evidence that your product is gaining traction. This is where metrics come in. Focus on actionable data that proves demand and engagement. Activation rate. How many users complete a key first action after signing up? Retention rate. How many users come back after their first use? Conversion rate. How many free users become paying users, if applicable? Growth rate. How quickly your user base or revenue is expanding. Customer acquisition cost and lifetime value, LTV. These show sustainability. Even if your numbers are small, what matters most is the trend. Show improvement over time. Rising retention, lower churn, faster adoption. These signals prove that you're learning, iterating, and improving efficiently. If your MVP is pre-revenue, that's okay. Focus on engagement metrics, feedback quality, and user enthusiasm. Share real stories or testimonials that highlight how users value your product. A quote from a passionate early user can be as powerful as a chart. Next, let's talk about the story behind your data. Investors love narrative-driven metrics. Instead of just saying, we grew signups by 50%, say, after improving onboarding, we increased signups by 50% and saw retention double. This shows causality and strategic thinking. It tells investors you understand how to connect user behavior with product changes. Your MVP itself can also be a fundraising tool. Use live demos or short videos to showcase how it works. Seeing the product in action builds credibility. Just make sure it's reliable. Nothing kills momentum faster than a buggy demo. If possible, highlight real use cases or customer journeys that illustrate value creation. When pitching, anticipate questions like, what have you learned from your MVP so far? What's your biggest insight from user behavior? How will this funding accelerate your path to product market fit? Prepare concise, honest answers. Investors appreciate transparency. If something didn't work, frame it as a learning moment that guided your next step. Also, tailor your pitch to your audience. Angel investors and early-stage VCs care about vision and founder grit. Corporate investors and accelerators might prioritize strategic fit. Adjust your focus accordingly. Some want emotional storytelling, others want clear data and de-risked validation. As for the raise itself, be clear about your ask. Don't just say, "We're raising $500,000. Instead, explain how that funding will be used. For example, to grow our engineering team, launch our beta publicly, and reach 10,000 active users in 6 months. This connects capital directly to outcomes, which builds confidence. Finally, remember that fundraising is a relationship game. Investors invest in people as much as products. Be authentic, passionate, and grounded. Share your vision for the next stage beyond the MVP, what scaling looks like, what success means, and how you'll get there. In summary, fundraising with an MVP is about proving potential through data and story. Use your MVP to show real traction, your metrics to validate progress, and your narrative to inspire belief. Because at this stage, investors aren't just funding what you've built, they're funding who you are and where you're headed.